Well, good morning. Welcome back to GP Outdoors. You may recall last week I released a video where I was cleaning up some dead wood out of the forest in the clearing that we used last fall. And you may remember I said, I think we could probably spend a week in here with the chipper. Let me introduce you to the newly released Splitfire 4090 standalone wood chipper, made right here in Norwich, Ontario, Canada. It's a standalone gas-fired wood chipper. Weighs about 565 pounds. That's a lot of steel. And you might think, GP, it's a standalone wood chipper. What's the big deal? One big difference. You guessed it. The rotor spins horizontally on this unit, not vertically. So we're going to head back into the clearing, chip a little wood, see how it performs. Let's get to chipping. The Splitfire 4090 is powered by a Honda GXV 390 engine, about 10 to 11 horsepower. It has an emergency stop button that's easily resettable. The unit itself comes with a low riding chute with an adjustable chute deflector. However, it comes with an optional extended chute, as you see here, with a chute deflector in the event that you want to gather your chips into a trailer. The unit here has the optional trailering package. It has larger wheels and a 4-bolt hub, which allows you to trailer behind your pickup truck at up to about 100 kilometers an hour or 60 miles per hour. Down inside the hopper, you'll see these white protective shields. Basically, you don't want to put your hands anywhere below them. The hopper is removable. It has 4 heavy-duty locking latches on the side of the bottom of the hopper. Simply undo the latches, and easier if you have a friend to help you lift the hopper out because it weighs about 100 pounds, but you can also lift it out on your own, as you see here. Once you get the hopper off, although this unit has a maximum of 4-inch diameter branches, you'll notice that the receiving area just above the rotor and the blades is very large compared to other units. This unit I have here is a 2-blade unit, but you can also get an optional 4-blade unit on the rotor. This unit also came with the optional towing accessory, so I could put a 2-inch ball on the back of the unit, pull my trailer behind me when I'm out in the forest.
Yeah, it works. It works really well. This stuff's been laying on the ground for at least 10 months or more. There's nothing green in here. It's all old, dried out stuff. Laid on the forest floor, and she's doing great. A couple of those bigger pieces, 2.5 to 3 inches, you could hear probably that the engine was winding down as it was getting through, and then it fired itself back up again. So she's doing well. Chips are looking awesome. I'll show them to you in a minute. But now, let's find some really ugly stuff and see how it does. Now that's wood chips. These are awesome. Take a look at this. Wow. Wow. I'm pretty impressed for a first time out. Important disclaimer, especially for you kids at home. It's never safe to take 20 or 30 or 35 foot long limbs that are 3.5 to 4 inches long with a lot of limbs off them and try to feed them into a chipper. Usually I'd cut them down with the saw, but you know me. They gave me this equipment. I gotta test it, see how it performs under different conditions. It's the only reason I did it. This stuff, as I mentioned, this is old, dried, really dried wood and limbs that have been laying around in this forest for at least 10 months or more. And it did pretty remarkable with it. You may have noticed a few times that the machine started to wind down under load when I put that really big old stuff in there, that nasty looking stuff. This thing has a centrifugal clutch underneath. It's belt driven, so it naturally slips when it's under too much load. But I had to keep pushing it. And I gotta say, for a first time, I'm looking forward to trying it on some green stuff next. A big thanks to the folks at Splitfire here in Ontario for loaning us yet another piece of equipment to try out on the channel. As you know, I love trying new equipment, and I'm pretty impressed with this one. It's a monster. It's definitely heavy duty. If you like the channel, please click subscribe, hit the like button, and if you want to know when I'm posting videos, just click that little bell. Have a wonderful week with your families, a safe week, and please be kind. I'll see you again on the next one. Cheers.